Hello children, in today's English class, we will learn the use of helping verbs am, is, are. Am, is and are called helping verbs. Children, in order to understand helping verbs better, first I will tell you a story about them. Right? Once upon a time, there were different group of friends. He, she, this, that and it were best friends. You, we, they, these, those were another group of best friends. They always used to sit together. I didn't have any friends. He was alone. One day in school, 3 new students joined class 1. The first student was named Am. Am entered the class and wanted to be friends with he, she, this, that and it. But they refused his friendship and asked him to go away. So Am felt very sad. And I invited Am to be his friend and happily asked him to sit with him. Am felt very happy. Therefore, Am and I became best friends. Another student entered the class. His name was Is. Is wanted to make new friendship. So he went to make friends with I and Am. But Am didn't allow him to join their group and shouted at Is to go away from their seat. Is felt very bad and he went to join the group of you, we, they, these and those. But they also rejected his friendship. He felt extremely sad and he went to make friendship with he, she, this, that and it. They eagerly accepted his friendship and they all become very thick friends. Another new student joined the class. His name was R. He went to make friendship with I and Am. But they refused him and he went to make friendship with you, we, they, these, those. They liked him and asked him to join their group. Therefore, they all became good friends and started sitting together. So, children, that's how Am, Is, Are found their best friends in their class. Children, I hope you all have enjoyed this story. Yes. Children, now you know that best friend of Am and I. So, we always use Am with I. I am is used together when we talk about ourselves or when a person tells about himself or herself. I am is used together when we talk about ourselves or when a person tells about himself or herself. How many best friends does Is have? Yes. Is has 5 best friends. Who are they? He, she, it, this and that. Who are they? He, she, it, this and that. So we use is with he, she, it, this and that. Correct? Children, we use is when we talk about singular noun, that is a single person, place, animal or a thing. Children, now tell me how many best friends does or have? Or also has 5 best friends. Correct? Who are they? You, we, they, these and those. Who are they? You, we, they, these and those. Correct? Children, we use or when we talk about a plural noun that is more than one person, place, animal. Do you understand, children? Let's review what we have learned from this story. Now tell me, who is Am's best friend? Yes, Am's best friend is I. So we can use I am. Now tell me, is best friends? Yes, is has 5 best friends. Who are they? Yes, he, she, this, that, it. So he is, she is, this is, that is, it is. Like that we are using. Correct? Next, R also has 5 best friends. Correct? Who are they? You, we, they, these, those are best friends. So we can use you are, we are, they are, these are, those are. Likewise we are using. Okay? For example, the verb am is used with I. I am a boy. I am a boy. I am a girl. I am a girl. The verb is used with one person, place, thing or animal. For example, he is a boy. This is a car. That is a monkey. Chennai is a big city. The verb or is used with more than one person or thing. For example, they are boys. They are boys. These are books. These are books. The dogs are barking. The dogs are barking. Those are girls. Those are girls. So children, that is the reason why am, is, are called helping verbs. Okay? I hope now everyone is clear where to use am, is and are. Now we'll go to book exercise. Okay children? Children, now you take page number 53, topic am, is, are. Okay? Let's get started. Read the clues and fill in the blanks. I am red or green. Who's telling? These 2 apples. Is correct? I am red or green. You can make fruit juice using me. என்ன பர்பஸ்க்காக நாம வந்து ஆப்பிள யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? ஜூஸ்க்காக இல்லையா? So you can make fruit juice using me. Who am I? என்னை நீங்க ஜூஸ்க்காக யூஸ் பண்ணுவீங்க. நான் ரெட் கலர் கிரீன் கலர்ல இருப்பேன். நான் யாரு அப்படின்னு கேக்குது இல்லையா? I am a red. What is the name of fruit? Apple. I am a red apple. First apple telling I am a red apple. What is the spelling of apple? A P P L E. Apple. A P P L E. Apple. I am a red apple. Red apple telling that is a green apple. That is a green apple. What is spelling of green? G R E E N. Green. That apple. What is spelling of apple spelling? A-P-P-L-E, apple. Green, G-R-E-E-N, green. Okay, this is red apple, this is green apple. Okay, I am a red apple, that is a green apple. There are fresh apples on the table. There are fresh apples on the table. Did you see how we use is, am and are in sentences? Already we saw in the examples, correct? We use am with I. We use am with I. For example, I am a teacher. I am a girl. I am a singer. Okay? So we use is with one person or thing. நம்ம எதுக்கெல்லாம் is யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம்? சிங்குலருக்கு. One person or one thing. Otherwise, he, she, it also we are using is. We also use is with he, she and it. He is a boy. She is a girl. It is an apple. Like we are telling, no? We use or with more than one person or thing. We use or with more than one person or thing. This is plural form. This is singular. Okay? See, for examples, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. இங்க I வர இடத்துல நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? am யூஸ் பண்ணணும். I வந்துட்டாலே நம்ம அந்த இடத்துல am தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Okay? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Okay? The next is. It is an apple. It is an apple. How many apples are there? Only one. Apple. This is singular. So singular க்கு நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? Is. அதே மாதிரி he, she, it. பாருங்க. He is a student. He is a dancer. நம்ம இங்கே பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? We also use is with he, she and it. Okay? So, it is an apple. He is a student. She is a dancer. Okay? He, she, it வந்தாலும் நம்ம இந்த இடத்துல என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? is தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். சரியா? அதே மாதிரி I வந்தா எப்பவுமே am தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். Then next. Or. You are a singer. You are a singer. You வந்து நம்ம என்ன பண்ணுவோம்? சிங்குலர்லயும் வரும், ப்ளூரல்லயும் வரும். இல்லையா? சோ அதனால நம்ம எப்பவுமே you வந்துட்டா are தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? You are a singer. We are cricketers. See, yes. They are adding yes. So cricketers. அப்படிங்கும்போது ப்ளூரல்லா சிங்குலரா? ப்ளூரல். இல்லையா? So we are cricketers. So we வந்துட்டா நமக்கு என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? are. ப்ளூரல்ல are தான் வரணும். சரியா? They are actors. இதுவும் ப்ளூரல் ஃபார்ம். ஓகேவா? So they வந்தா எப்பவுமே are தான் யூஸ் பண்ணணும். இங்க நம்ம பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? We use are with one. We use are with more than one person or thing. More than one person or thing. So they are actors. They வந்தாலும் are use பண்ணும். Okay, are you clear children? Yes. Roman A. Fill in the blanks with am, is or are. Okay, fill in the blanks with am, is or are. What is spelling of am? A-M, am. I-S, is. A-R-E, are. Okay, first one. I dash Samir. I dash Samir. You see first letter I. இப்போ இங்கே ஐ வந்திருக்குனால நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம இங்கே பார்த்தோம் இல்லையா? ஐ வந்தால் என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்னு பார்த்தோம்? ஆம். ஸோ இங்கே ஐ வந்தனால நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணணும்? சி ஆம். வாட் இஸ் ஸ்பெல்லிங் ஆஃப் ஆம்? A-M. ஆம். I am Samir. I am Samir. Next. Hazim dash a good student. Hazim dash a good student. Hazim he or she or it? He. ஓகேவா? ஸோ ஆல்ரெடி he வந்தால் நம்ம என்ன யூஸ் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்கோம்? We also use is with he, she and it. Correct? So Hazim dash a good student. Hazim is a good student. Hazim is a good student. Okay? On the page 54, third one, we dash different. We dash different. So we வந்தா என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணு சொல்லிருக்கேன்? Plural தானே? So what will come? Are. We are different. What is the spelling of are? A R E. Are. We are different. What is the spelling of are? A R E. Are. Fourth one, I dash from a small town near Surat. I dash from a small town near Surat. I வந்தா என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணும்? Am or is or are? Am. A-M. Am. I am from a small town near Surat. Next. He dash from a big city, Pune. He dash from a big city, Pune. He will come. He வந்தா என்ன பண்ணணும்? He is. I-S. He is from a big city, Pune. Sixth one, same. He. Okay, ma? He dash kind and friendly. He dash kind and friendly. So he is. I-S is. He is kind and friendly. And seventh one, his parents dash doctors. His parents dash doctors. So his parents doctors, not a doctor. So plural. What will come? Are. His parents are doctors. A-R-E. Are. His parents are doctors. Eighth one, they dash famous doctors. They na plural. Correct? So what will come? They are. A-R-E. Are. They are famous doctors. They are famous doctors. Ninth one, Hazim and I dash good friends. Hazim and I dash good friends. So here how many members are there? Hazim and I, 2 members. Okay. So what will come, singular or plural? Plural. What will come? Are. Hazim and I are. A-R-E. Are. Hazim and I are good friends. Okay. Roman B. Select the correct option from the brackets to fill in the blanks. First one, I dash am or is. This is for clue. Okay. Bright. I dash bright. I twinkle in the sky. So I வந்து என்ன யூஸ் பண்ணோம்? ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம பார்த்திருக்கோம். Am or otherwise is. What will come? This 3? Am. So you tick this and take and write. Am. A-M. Am. I am bright. I twinkle in the sky. I am bright. I twinkle in the sky. Okay. The next. There dash millions of me. There dash millions of me. Am or is. What will come? There are millions of me. There are A-R-E. There are millions of me. Okay, the next. I dash a star. I dash a star. Am. A-M. Am. I am a star. Second one. There dash 20 students in my class. Am or is. What will come? Are. A-R-E. Are. There are 20 students in my class. Richa dash our class monitor. Richa dash our class monitor. So Richa is a girl. Okay. So what will come? Is. I-S is. Richa is our class monitor. Okay. Then she dash a friendly girl. She is. I-S is. She is a friendly girl. We dash very fond of her. We are. A-R-E. We are very fond of her. Okay. First one. I am bright. I twinkle in the sky. There are millions of me. I am a star. About star only they are telling. Correct? Star எப்படி இருக்கும்? ரொம்ப பிரைட்டா இருக்கும். பார்த்திருக்கீங்களா வானத்துல? ஸ்டார் எப்பவுமே பிரைட்டா இருக்கும். அது என்ன பண்ணும்? வானத்துல ஸ்கைல என்ன பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கோம்? ட்விங்கிள். ஒரு மாதிரி மின்னி மின்னி வரும் இல்லையா? ட்விங்கிள் இன் த ஸ்கை. நான் என்ன பண்ணுவேன்? ஸ்கைல வானத்துல நான் எப்பவுமே மின்னி மின்னி ஒரு மாதிரி லைட் வந்து வந்து போகும் இல்லையா? அதுதான் ட்விங்கிள் சொல்லுவோம். There are millions of me. எவ்வளோ இருக்கு? நிறைய. ரொம்ப how many stars are there? நம்மளால கவுண்ட் பண்ண முடியுமா ஸ்டார்ஸை? பண்ண முடியாது. ஸோ நிறைய ஸ்டார்ஸ் இருக்கும். There are millions of me. I am a star. நான் யாரு? ஸ்டார். I am a star. Okay. So next one. Next. யாரை பற்றிங்க நம்ம பேசியிருக்கோம்? இவ்வளோ பற்றி தான் பேசியிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? So how many members are there in class? 20 students in my class. She is telling there are 20 students in my class. என்னோட கிளாஸ்ல 20 students இருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றாங்க. Richa is our class monitor. Class monitorனா யாரு? கிளாஸ் லீடர்லாம் இருப்பாங்க இல்லையா? நீங்களாம் பேசுறீங்களா இல்லையான்னு பார்த்துக்கிறதுக்காக ஒருத்தர் இருப்பாங்கல்ல, அவங்கள தான் மானிட்டர்னு சொல்லுவோம். Richa is our class monitor. யார் அவங்களோட கிளாஸ் மானிட்டர்? Richa. She is a friendly girl. அவ எப்படி இருப்பாளாம்? ரொம்ப ரூடா கோவமா இருப்பாளா? இல்ல, ரொம்ப ஃப்ரெண்ட்லியா ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ்ட நடந்துக்குவா. She is a friendly girl. We are very fond of her. எங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்கும் அவளை ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றா இல்லையா? Do you understand this? Yes. Next. There are 20 students in my class. Richa is our class monitor. She is a friendly girl. We are very fond of her. Are you clear, children? Yes. Next, let us write. Look at the picture, then complete the passage using am or is. Okay? This dash am or is Snow White. This dash Snow White. Okay? What will come? Am or is. Okay. Look at this picture. Who is the Snow White? Who is the Snow White? So this is Snow White. What will come? I-S is. This is Snow White. She dash a pretty girl. எப்படி இருக்கவ? அக்லியா இருக்காளா அழகா இருக்காளா? ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கா இல்லையா? So she is a pretty girl. So what will come? is. I-S is. Her hair dash black. Look her hair. எப்படி இருக்கு? பிளாக்கா இருக்கா ஒயிட்டா இருக்கா? பிளாக்கா இருக்கு இல்லையா? So her hair is. I-S is. Her hair is black. Her shoes dash yellow. See, look her shoes. How many shoes are there? 2. So what will come? Am, or, is, or. So plural. Okay, so or will come. A-R-E, or. Her shoes are yellow. Her dress is, I-S is, yellow and blue. Her dress is yellow and blue. Okay. This is Snow White. She is a pretty girl. Her hair is black. Her shoes are yellow. Her dress is yellow and blue. Okay, children? Children, now we will learn comprehension. Okay? Topic, my best friend. You have a best friend? உங்களுக்கு எல்லாத்துக்குமே பெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்களா இல்லையா? Look at the picture. How many girls are there? The 2 girls are best friends. Okay? அவங்கள பற்றி தான் நம்ம இப்போ காம்ப்ரிஹென்ஷனில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ லிசன் கேர்ஃபுல்லி. Okay, children? Take page number 78. 24. My best friend. This is comprehension. Okay? My best friend. Read this passage. Listen carefully. You also should read carefully. Okay? Then only you have to answer the questions and answer. Okay? My name is Nalini. My name is Nalini. Shreya is my friend. M-Y, my. N-A-M-E, name. I-S is N-A-L-I-N-I, Nalini. My name is Nalini. Shreya, S-H-R-E-Y-A, Shreya is, I-S is M-Y, my. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Shreya is my friend. My name is Nalini. Shreya is my friend. We both study in class 1. We, W-E, we, both, B-O-T-H, both, study, S-T-U-D-Y, study, in, I-N, in, class, C-L-A-S-S, class 1. We both study in class 1. She is tall. S-H-E, she is, I-S is, tall, T-A-L-L, tall. She is tall. She has long hair. S-H-E, she has. H-A-S, has, long, L-O-N-G, long, hair. H-A-I-R, hair. She has long hair. She likes to paint. S-H-E, she likes, L-I-K-E-S, likes to, T-O-2, paint, P-A-I-N-T, paint. She likes to paint. She is a very good singer too. S-H-E, she is, I-S is, a very, V-E-R-Y, very good, G-O-O-D, good singer, S-I-N-G-E-R, singer too, T-O-O-2. She is a very good singer too. We share our lunch and play together. W-E, we share, S-H-A-R-E, share, our, O-U-R, our, lunch, L-U-N-C-H, lunch, and A-N-D, and P-L-A-Y, play together. 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 We share our lunch and play together. After school, we go home together. After school, AFTR after SCHOOL school. We go go HOME home together TOGETHER together. After school we go home together. We always tell each other everything. We always 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 tell 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 EACH each other 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 everything EVERY every THING thing everything. She is my best friend in the world. SHE she IS is MY my BEST best FRIEND friend IN in the the world WORLD world. She is my best friend in the world. My name is Nalini. Shreya is my friend. We both study in class 1. She is tall. She has long hair. She likes to paint. She is a very good singer too. We share our lunch and play together. After school, we go home together. We always tell each other everything. She is my best friend in the world. My name is Nalini. என்னோட நேம் என்ன நளினி அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறா இல்லையா. ஸ்ரேயா இஸ் மை ஃப்ரெண்ட். நளினியோட ஃப்ரெண்டு யாரு ஸ்ரேயா. We both study in class 1. ரெண்டு பேரும் என்ன படிக்கிறாங்க, என்ன கிளாஸஸ் படிக்கிறாங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. உங்களை மாதிரியே அவங்க ரெண்டு பேரும் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட் படிக்கிறாங்க. She is tall. அவ எப்படி இருப்பா, ஷார்ட்டா இருப்பாளா டாலா இருப்பாளாமா, ரொம்ப டாலா இருப்பாளாம். She has long hair. அவளோட ஹேர் ரொம்ப லாங்கா அழகா இருக்கும் அப்படிங்கிறா. She likes to paint. அவளுக்கு என்ன ரொம்ப பிடிக்குமா, பெயிண்ட் பண்றது ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்றா இல்லையா. ஸ்ரீயாவுக்கு பெயிண்டிங்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். She likes to paint. She is very good singer too. பெயிண்ட் மட்டும் பண்ண மாட்டாளாம், அவ என்ன பண்ணுவா, நல்லா அழகா சூப்பரா பாடுவா அப்படிங்கிறாங்க. She is a very good singer too. Painting and singer both. We share our lunch and play together. நீங்க உங்களோட லஞ்ச்லாம் ஷேர் பண்ணி சாப்பிடுவீங்களா இல்லையா, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட ரெண்டு பேர் சேர்ந்து விளையாடுவீங்க இல்லையா. அதே மாதிரி நளினியும் ஸ்ரீயா கூட அவரோட லஞ்ச் எல்லாமே ஷேர் பண்ணி சாப்பிடுவாங்க. அண்ட் ரெண்டு பேரும் எப்பயுமே ஜாயின் பண்ணி ஹாப்பியா ப்ளே பண்ணுவாங்களாம். We share our lunch and play together. After school, ஸ்கூல் முடிஞ்சதுக்கு அப்புறம் என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க, we go home together. ரெண்டு பேரும் சேர்ந்து தான் அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு போவாங்களாம். We always tell each other everything. ரெண்டு பேரும் எப்பயுமே எல்லாத்தையுமே ஷேர் பண்ணி சொல்லிக்குவாங்களாம். இது அப்படி எங்க வீட்டில் இது இப்படி பண்ணோம் அப்படி பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னு நம்மளா பேசிக்கிறோம் இல்லையா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட, அது மாதிரி அவங்களும் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க. She is my best friend in the world. இந்த உலகத்திலேயே அவ தான் என்னோட பெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்னு யார் சொல்றாங்க, நளினி ஸ்ரேயாவை பார்த்து சொல்றா. இந்த வேர்ல்ட்லயே ஸ்ரேயா தான் என்னோட பெஸ்ட் ஃப்ரெண்டுன்னு. Now we will do the exercise. Complete the sentences. Okay. First one, dash or friends. Already we read that passage, no? You have to find the answer in this passage. Okay. Dash or friends. Who are the friends? See. Nalini and Shreya. What is the spelling of Nalini? Nalini. Nalini and Shreya. 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 Nalini and Shreya are friends. Second one, they study in dash. Which class they study? We both study in class 1. Class 1. CLASS class 1. They study in class 1. Shreya is dash and has dash. You find the answer in this paragraph. Shreya is my friend. We both study in class 1. She is tall. What is the answer? Tall. And she has long hair. Shreya is tall. 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 Shreya is tall and has long hair. Long. Long hair. 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 Shreya is tall and has long hair. Fourth one. Shreya is a good. What is the answer? Singer. She is a very good singer too. So, Shreya is a good singer. 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 Shreya is a good singer. She also likes to paint. She likes to paint. What is the spelling of paint? PAINT. Paint. Shreya is a good singer. She also likes to paint. Nalini and her friend do everything together. They dash their dash and dash together. They tell dash. Come to paragraph. What is the answer? See. We share our lunch and play. அவங்க என்ன பண்ணிக்குவாங்க? எதெல்லாம் ஷேர் பண்ணிக்குவாங்க? Lunch and play together. So, they share. SHARE. They share their lunch and play. Lunch and play together. What is spelling of lunch? LUNCH. Lunch and play. PLAY. Play together. They tell. We always tell each other everything. Okay, so they tell each other everything. So what is spelling of each? EACH. Each. Other. 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 Everything. EVERY. Every. THING. Thing. Each other. Everything. First one, Nalini, Shreya are friends. They study in class 1. Shreya is tall and has long hair. Shreya is a good singer. She also likes to paint. Nalini and her friend do everything together. They share their lunch and play together. They tell each other everything. Next. Roman C. Write about your best friend. Paste your friend's photo in the given space. Do you have best friends? So everyone have best friends, correct? So your best friend photo you take and paste in the box, inside the box. Okay. My best friend is. Who is your best friend? Her or him. Okay. Write their name. Dash is dash old. Like you have to read the passage and write the answer. Okay, children. Then dash studies in class. Dash in dash school. Dash likes to dash. We play dash. I like my friend because. Okay. My friend My best friend is, write your friend name. Write your friend age. Then you write your friend studying class and school name. Okay. And I like my friend because. Why you like your friend? Like you have to finish. Complete your homework correctly. Okay, children. Thank you.